Now we are going to see need for avionics in civil and military aircraft and space system. So need for civil aircrafts are for flight control, computation and flight surface control, for mission and management computation, for navigating the aircraft, full solution AHRS, that is altitude and head reference system, and then for getting air data like altitude, outside temperature and pressure, and also for getting the magnetic field through magnetometer, for various payloads and data link control through extended input output. So military aircrafts are Stealth F-117 Night Hawk, 1982-2008, B-2 Spread Stealth Bomber, F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning, F-18 Super Cruise aircraft, A-18 Thunderbolt jet, BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. These are the military aircrafts. Need for military aircrafts or for stealth technology, which is very less visible to radar, IR, sonar, and other detection means, and also for super cruise, for reliability, availability, need for growth capacity. For example, integrated avionics system. The solution, example F-22 by Lockheed Martin. So need for spacecrafts or the system integration, multifunction control and display units, data processing system, adaptive antenna system, human factors, engineering and navigation system, advanced fail passive autopilot, flight director, display processor into a single line replaceable unit, significant weight, size and reliability advantages are realized. Now we are going to see integrated avionics system. So in that IMA definition is given. A real-time computer network airborne system, which is a modular architecture consisting of various computing model with different critically levels. This is F-22 integrated modular avionic IMA suite by Lockheed Martin. So basic features of IMA are a dedicated avionics system, full cockpit control and display system, acoustic warning and tones to crew, autonomous navigation system, full plant management feature, monitoring and diagnostic features. So integrated avionics system in detail we are going to see. So it is a dedicated avionics system controlling the core data bus, fully NVG compatible cockpit, that is it will control and display system, allowing to display information and receive commands from the crew, and also communication and identification system giving simultaneous communication in clear and secure voice, plus acoustic warning and identification tone to the crew. So navigation system generating guidance and navigation data by means of autonomous and radio navigation system, including inertial reference system with the GPS, Doppler radar, air data system. The next, plant management system, which is interface the vehicle sensor with the avionics system to acquire and process vehicle and avionic data. Next, monitoring and diagnostic system, ensuring that the interface of all the vehicle subsystem and equipment. So features of integrated avionics system are advanced flight deck functionality, improved situational awareness, increased system flexibility for business and regional aircraft, large liquid crystal flat panel display, integrated navigation, patented graphical flight planning, functionally allow for the quick and safe modification of flight plan with the ability to monitor weather, terrain and air traffic. This is the F-22 integrated avionics suite, which is already seen by Lockheed Martin. So integrated avionics system simultaneously display of traffic, terrain, airspace, airway, airports, navigation aids, fully digital, integrated autopilot and auto throttle, integrated flight management system, patented graphical flight planning, integrated enhanced ground proximity warning system, integrated communication management function, LCD flat panel displays enabling most aircraft system and navigation data onto a single cockpit display, drop down menus and on-screen point and click functionality. This is the features of integrated avionics system. So very high speed integrated circuit technology is used, and common module and high speed data buses are used, and then common integrated processor are used, which is a central brain with the equivalent computing throughput of 2 Cray supercomputer, which is add low observable antenna. And one more is long range radar, that is APG-77 radar is the F-22's primary sensor and is the long range rapid scan and multifunctional system.